Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we will learn the limits of logarithmic function. The limits of logarithmic function includes totally three formulas which are useful for solving the problems of continuity. Limits of logarithmic functions. Limits of logarithmic function includes three formulas. Formula number 1 is limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x upon x is equal to 1. Second formula, limit x tends to 0 log of 1 minus x upon x that equal to minus 1. Third formula is limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x to the base a upon x, and that equal to log of e to the base a, provided the value of a should be greater than 0, at the same time a not equal to 1. So these three formulas which are based on limits of logarithmic functions useful for solving the problems of continuity. So this is all about limits of logarithmic functions. Thank you.